if your water's not filling on these washing machines, first thing you really want to check is, have you got pressure? Is the water on? This one ain't, but I'm working on it at the minute. Just make sure that that tap handle is in line with the pipe. Make sure there's no kinks in the pipe work. There's also a filter behind here, so you might want to check the filter. I've never known the filter to be blocked, but it's worth a check. You never know. These are your inlet valves. Make sure they've got continuity. There you go, 4.2 kiloohms. That's pretty good. Then you could have a mechanical problem with these as well. Sometimes the solenoid might be working, but the actual valve's stuck. So keep that in mind. Then you got this. This is a pressure switch. It senses when the water's full and turns that off, turns the inlets off. So basically, if this is faulty, sometimes it won't allow these to switch. So it's another possible cause. I've got a video of how to test that. Could be the board as well, which controls everything. Could be your door switch as well. I've got a door switch here. I've got a video on testing them, so you might have a look at that. And that is about it really. Pressure. Make sure the tap's on. No kinks in the hose. The inlets. Pressure switch. Door switch. And that is about all I can think of. Oh, I've got videos on all that as well, so check out the videos, the playlist, washing machine repair playlist.